In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Drive upload faster, or in other words, how to increase your Google Drive upload speed. We'll walk through a set of strategies and tweaks that can help you boost your upload performance and make your experience much smoother. If you've ever been frustrated by how slowly your files seem to upload, this guide is for you. So get comfortable and let's dive in. First, let's talk about why you might be experiencing slow upload speeds in the first place. There are many factors, like a sluggish internet connection, large file sizes, or too many devices connected to your network at the same time. It's essential to understand what's causing the slowdown so you can address it properly. Start by checking your internet speed. There are numerous online tools available for this. Ensure your connection is stable and fast enough for uploading files. Once you've assessed your internet speed, consider reducing your file sizes if possible. Compressing files is a smart way to make uploads quicker. There are several free tools online that can help you compress your files without losing quality. Smaller files will naturally upload faster, saving you both time and frustration. Now, let's explore some settings in Google Drive itself. Open your Google Drive, head over to the Settings menu, which you can find by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the Settings menu, there's an option called Convert Uploaded Files to Google Docs Editor Format. Keep this option unchecked unless you specifically need to convert your files. This can help reduce processing time, thus speeding up uploads. Another useful tip is to try different browsers. Sometimes, the browser you're using can affect upload speeds. Chrome is generally a solid choice for Google services, but if uploading isn't as fast as you'd like, consider trying Firefox, Safari, or Edge to see if there's any improvement. Occasionally, browser extensions might also interfere with upload speeds, so try disabling them temporarily to check if they're contributing to the problem. Additionally, pay attention to the time of day you're uploading files. Internet traffic can be heavier during certain times, such as evenings or weekends when many people are online. If you can, try uploading files during off-peak hours for potentially faster speeds. If you're not already using it, consider connecting your computer to your router using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. A wired connection is often more stable and can speed up your internet, influencing how swiftly files are uploaded to the cloud. Lastly, if possible, limit the number of devices connected to your network while uploading files. Allowing more bandwidth to be dedicated to your upload can help it complete more quickly. By following these tips and making a few adjustments, you should see a noticeable improvement in your Google Drive upload speeds. Keep experimenting with the settings and strategies we discussed until you find the perfect combination that works best for you. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy uploading.